Did you know that there's an island off the coast of California that is perfect for a day trip? It's called Catalina. If you go there on a cruise ship, you will use a water shuttle to get from your ship to the island. It's a quick little ride. You can also take an express ferry directly from Long Beach to Catalina. You can spend a weekend or just a day trip. It's 26 miles across the bay. We waited in line for this shuttle, and unfortunately the line was very long. It took us about an hour and a half in line waiting to get on the shuttle, which is not what we've normally experienced with water shuttles, so I'm hoping that that was just a one-time thing, but it did take us a very long time in a hot, stuffy corridor to get onto the water shuttle. But once we were on the water shuttle, we sat up top. It was a beautiful, gorgeous day, and we zipped over to the island to explore. It's got beautiful beaches. That's a free public beach that you can go to. There's lots of little shops with artisan items that you can get that are made by craftsmen right on the island. It's a great place to go snorkeling. There's a lot of tropical fish. Maybe not tropical. One of the most famous fish is the Garibaldi, and you can see those from this walking path. You just look down in the water and they're big orangey yellow fish that you can see. There are people that live here year-round, but it's also a very popular tourist destination for not only cruise ship passengers, but also just people who live in California trying to get a quick little getaway. It's a great place for kids. You can take your kids on the beach, go do some shopping, get some lunch. There's restaurants out on the pier. There's restaurants in the little town. There's hotels you can stay at. There's all kinds of packages that you can get if you wanted to stay. What's also really fun is you can rent a golf cart and take a tour of the island on your own. It's a pretty big island. You can't go all the way around. If you're feeling super adventurous, you can book a tour with the Nature Society, I think, and you can go see the native buffalo, bison, that live on the island. There's also some Catalina Island foxes that live only on the island. It's a beautiful place to go visit. Lots of interesting architecture and stores, and it's gorgeous. Not only can you find handcrafted home decor, you can get signs, shirts, sweatshirts, hats, children's clothing, as well as some unique food items that they make on the island that you can pick up. It's really, there's something for everyone. If you're looking for a gift or if you're looking for something for yourself to bring back, these stores have so many different options for you. But just the view of the harbor is just a beautiful place. On a clear day, you can see it from Los Angeles on Pacific Coast Highway. I hope you enjoyed this quick trip around Catalina. Let me know if you've ever been there and what your favorite thing to do there was. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch the next video.